Like Mama said for the same video, I think she said not be say because say women men they cheat now make them the vex. He said if the truth must be told, she said not because of the way the men they like answer them. Like Mama, for 21st century, people too many for this world wey go use one view, Mama, say like just say conclude with all due respect. Okay, man cheats today, he gets with mouth, he come beg me. Tomorrow he go cheat again, he gets with mouth, he come beg me. Next tomorrow he go cheat again, he buy me private jets, he buy me car, he buy me flower. Where the pack dem put no go close. That is to say he's not ready to change. Why you not change? You as a woman or as a man that have this kind of partner, you need to change. Hi guys, welcome back to Sophie Universe. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good spirits bless and strengthen you. If it's your first time of seeing my video or listening to my audio, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Kindly subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with you, my amazing brothers and sisters. So my gallant returnees that keep coming back to check me out, to see what I got to offer. Thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for checking me out. May the good Lord check you out. May the good spirit never be far from you. May he or she guide your going out and your coming in as usual. Your household. Thanks for your correction, your maturity, your positive energy keeps me going. Thank you very much. Longest time, my people, not be my photo, nah, too much busy. With that being said, I want to share with you now the hot ogbonga topic actually in a post when I see for social media last week. Until too much busy, I not can share am with una. I think some of una we don't see am, but not be many of una. Now that one we want talk about, so some and many. English don't enter one chance for Nigeria people handy. Enter one chance. For them, my brothers and sisters, where they say, speak English. You don't know how to speak English. You don't speak English. Mona can see what English don't cost for social media. It costs kasala, not be small war. In fact, oh Jesus, some of my judges they for coma. Where they tell you chair break their head. Una fear now. Una don't see English matter. Some and many. That be the matter. I just waka my own, they go for social media as usual. See this fine lady platform, Sister Rita Ayemiomo. Yes, so now she. I don't first do video about her. The way she take the use swag, take the talk her own trouble. She go the verse, they talk matter, but she go the laugh on top. You know understand? So now she now put the complicated post for her Facebook page. See, hey Jesus Christ. If una reach there, oh, it's again lock book. The way people take they use plates, knife, the way people take they use slap, blow, jidoka, headbutt, they fight themselves for this matter. One I want share with una, so una go tire. Na English na cause all this matter. English na cause. And Sister Rita, she just break 3 table leg. You all leave 1 leg for her. Make the table take stand. What be the post? May I quickly share on with you before I will share my opinion on the matter and what people got to talk for this matter and our own reply to somebody for the matter with all due respect to Sister Rita Ayemiomo. That is Sister Ritoto. Okay now. More see what the test talk. Then more can analyze them. More see whether na misunderstanding or na English problem. Let's go there. Okay, oh, now the almighty post be this from Sister Rita Ayemiomo TV. She post that one fine woman wey be like say man she don tire, like whether na heel make am tire, whether they dupe her, I don't know. But she can't write wetin come cause the alarm for social media. She say, and I quote, many divorced women are living in serious regrets. Please protect your marriage with total submission to your husband. Truth is bitter. Hey, come see gbe for social media. Come see my mothers provoke. Come see my sisters provoke. Come see my friends provoke. Come see all my gbewa squad. All of them provoke. Not be only women, oh. Some men not still see this post funny. Even me, Kpakpa, I not see am funny. I was like, mama of all people, now just post this thing. So I kind of like want try to justify am, like maybe she see am for another platform, she just carry am, she can't put her for a platform, all those kind of stuff. But I can't still reason and go the other side, say, man, if Sister Rita not agree with this post, I don't believe say she will carry am for where she for carry am, come place down for her war. Because make her just let it go. Not until I can see when she reply one particular lady wey react for this post. And before I will share that one with una, make I quick share my own small opinion. Una know say my opinion dey long well unto who I be. My own take for this matter, wetin provoke me for this matter, na the total like the total submission to your husband. And many divorced, many divorced, but when she wan come reply that person why they talk just now, why I go share with una, she say some. No, she not say some, she say many. There is a big difference between some and many. They look similar but they are not the same. They not be the same. More quickly look the definition of a submission. More leave the total, because total like you dey totally you not get say. That's make we try to understand English. E no easy, my brothers and sisters. So that is why I know they like to cut my tongue for the English matter side, because I don't grow to understand say na borrowed language. If the language fit dey confusing to the people wey get the language, the owners themselves, wetin you can't use me and you take wait for? So why I can't dey stress myself, why can't dey knack or the form accent wey not be my own? With all due respect, you see this pidgin English, e be like say they born me born. You see the swag wey dey, e no get part two. You don't understand. You dey submit to somebody is like you dey tell women to be slaves to men. Now be the problem wey me can't get for them. Not to talk of say you can add the total joiner. That is total, nothing will remain. Make them just totally like just submit. Now see the meaning of submission. He said the action of fact of accepting or yielding to a superior force or to the will or authority of another person. I don't know whether I understand though. I don't know whether I hear and where. May I read them again? He said the action or fact of accepting or yielding to a superior force or to the will or authority of another person. Not to talk of say you can add total joiner. Automatically you are asking women to be slaves totally. Now dear people gonna get problem with. Now dear somebody like me not accept at all. Total submission should be both sides. E get video what she constantly do to address this matter. I try to understand her, but she was just like complicating the matter. She can't complicate the matter in the sense that, with all due respect, mama, in the sense that for the video she was trying to like say now some women, but she didn't put it in the post say some women. Some na few, many na many, like many, over many the warrior. I don't know whether they understand. She make example for one video where she say like explain what she mean. She say people don't understand what submission mean. Submission not to like maybe you don't gist matter finish for our side, or you and your friends don't arrange matter finish for our side. You can't bring her and come house, can't tell your husband for house, as in your husband can't be the last person to hear her. Say now those kind of things that she refer to. say she's not being submissive to her husband. With all due respect, mama, that one not be submission. That one, you know, they respect the husband. There was a difference between respect and total submission. Hey, I was able there now. Mama, not gonna let me they speak English now. Borrowed language, more flow with pidgin. So that matter, it make people vex, and mama no one see what it provoke people for that post. She dey look am from her own point of view. She not look am from the view of the English people wey give us the total submission. What is submission mean? Submission, total submission to somebody is just like you are automatically telling these people to be slaves. If me total submission for you, you total submission for me. So if we the total submission for each other, what is the need of the total submission? What will be the need of the total submission? For the video, she said she still stand her ground. Say many people they regret, many women they regret for leaving their previous marriage, and she don't come across many, she don't chat with many. Fine, yes, that one are facts. Many people they regret. But this is not the right way. This is not the right advice you give to them. That they regret, in my own view, because they made another mistake. Mistake is allowed. Mistake is allowed. You learn from your mistake. It is when you don't learn from your mistake, you fall into another mistake. Many people, some women or some men, they fall into this mess. They regret. Oh, to say, I know, I for not leave my ex. My ex better pass this one. Why? Because they were looking for what to pepper that their ex. They come, they look for material things, guy or girl, way gallant, way fine. They weren't looking for the inner beauty. They weren't looking for the that's what they feel cope with. They were just being carried away by the word that touches the marrow. They weren't healed. Anybody wey leave relationship need time to heal. Not be say you leave relationship last month, you just still found another new love. No, it doesn't work that way. Total submission no mean say, man, you not gonna make another mistake. What I expected from my mama, from my auntie, from my sister is to tell people to heal first before you go into another relationship. To know what they are looking for. Not total submission. I'm all for respecting your husband. I'm all for respecting your wife. But when you come to talk say total submission, you are automatically saying they should continuously enslaving women. With all due respect, mama, with all due respect from the bottom of my heart, I mean no shade, mama. Because of what I want to talk so. Based on your true life story, if you should leave your first husband, that is to say, you weren't total submissive. With all due respect again, mama. If you couldn't tolerate the abuse, the torment, the everything he was doing to you, that is to say, you weren't submissive. There are some people, mama, some people just they. Where be say me, they know they cheat. They know they cheat. They sabi talk. They sabi like pull matter for house. But they very, very addicted to you. Wey be say man, they be like bed bug for your skin. It go come they irritate you. That is their love go come be like curse to you. You not fit go out. But it's not cheating. You not fit go out on your own. You not fit just go supermarket, make it not call you where you dey. How many of you did? How many of you not there? Tell me you love me. Tell me you do this. Oh, die. Many people not fit cope with those things. Many people not fit cope with those things. Many women, many men are regretting because they made another mistake. Mistake is allowed. Even though na 50 times they fit wake up from their mistake, let them continue making their mistake and let them continue learning. May they continuously they learn. Like mama said for the same video, I think, she said not be say because say women men they cheat, now make them the vex. He said if the truth must be told, she said not because of the way the men take dey like answer them like mama for 21st century people too many for this world wey go use one view mama say like just say conclude with all due respect. Okay, man cheats today, he gets with mouth, he come beg me. Tomorrow he go cheat again, he gets with mouth, he come beg me. Next tomorrow he go cheat again, he buy me private jets, he buy me car, he buy me flower. Where the partner put no go close. That is to say he's not ready to change. Why you not change? You as a woman or as a man that have this kind of partner, you need to change. Not be say na say you not dey total submissive. You just only realize that you can't cope. You can't cope. You need to like figure out what you want. Don't say no dey complete for people finish. But at least you should see, at least maybe you still get 60 or 70% of what you want from person. Then love go blind the remaining 30 way remain. What I expected from this my gallant mama now to tell people say man that they regret because they continue they make the same mistake, they continue to let history they repeat themselves, they continue to they look for the same thing, they don't want just change, they don't want change strategy. Yeah, mama here like they don't want change. Total submission, no. For 21st century, you know they work again with all due respect to my handsome, adorable men. I know so that no go take am funny. I know so that no go take am likely with me. Now so some women still be. Life don't change. World don't change. Total submission, not the work. Total submission, not the work. Respect is reciprocal. Some women just they wait just the total submit to. Just to, in fact, pricky submit join her. But they still receive hell. What the mama want to talk about them? Do you advise them to continuously receiving the medal they are receiving there? Everybody deserves to be happy. This one are the perspective when I think say people continue like put comment for them. Not say because say they be frustrated divorcee or there be women way single or what have you, with all due respect. I know they thought say you talk like that, or I'm just like laying it out the way just they do me for belle. People really get angry based on you say total submission. Mama ask me just small reach so me do total submission so te total comot for the submission e no work. There are many women out there too like that. There are many 1,001 women like that. That is to say that man is not for them. That woman is not for them. Again, one news why I can't they read. One matter whether a wife or stay together, I don't know, with respect to them, with respect to the both of them. Tell her say no need again. The woman say like she not get where she they go. Say the man don't sleep with her for good 10 years. So for that simple reason she not get where she they go. Are you kidding me? Is that what you call total submission? Somebody say ain't not tired to put you for cage. Come out, get your freedom. You say no, say you dey fear outside. Say no, you must lock you back for inside cage. Because if a man tell you to leave or a woman tell you to leave, that is to say you don't know your words. Except say you not get words. If you get words, in fact, go celebrate. Though it dey pain, you not go realize them now. You not go know now. But believe me, you after some years, you go look back and start to dey pray for that your ex. Say, God bless you for open. God bless you wait to open this gate for me. Might come out. Honestly, Mama wan come still talk for the same video. She say, no man not dey cheat. Like man not come lie o. Mama not vex. One marry magi kere by rien say. I don't know the actual percent when you talk. Whether 70 or 80% of our men, they are cheaters. Say now only 20% now free. Mama, me they forbid from that 20%. That 20% we no need total submission. Me they forbid to get them. I just need to know myself. I just need to know my value. I just need to know what I want to feel what take from those diamonds, those egg, those golden fish. Wey be that 20. Me why we na jumenji? We na do jumenji or rien gbeje. I know they forbid goat where they put salt, mama. As long there are 20, God will create that 29 creates me now. God will create that 29 creates me. What you would have told them, or what I was expecting from mama like you, with all due respect once again, now to tell our women to know themselves. To know themselves. I know they talk, say me they don't respect man. No. God heaven go bear me witness, say me na number one, numero uno respecting husband. But that one not me say I know the sackbo. That one not me. Respecting your husband, respecting your man, respecting your spouse. Don't be spouse that they call her. Not be spouse where they tell you you. Your partner. I be number one inside. If my ex not talk anything good about me, at least they will see that one thing. Talk, say man. It should not. In fact, I know Sabi said you call the curse man. I felt Chris. I felt mad. Doba no ibiemeni natural amogun. Not be so they take train me. I wasn't brought up that way. I respect my man to the highest. But it's different from total submission. It now two different things. Before I forget, my quick share with you now. What it provoke me and many people again. Now some and many, because when she writes on there, she says some. She didn't say some. More see the difference between some and many. Ebo is logo, Ebo hard. Hey, Ebo hard though. Now make me tough with the knock my pidgin English, because if you get quarrel with with English and you hear and hot, that time we'll go back to when we did for primary school, when we they used to. And now I was going, Ina said I used to do it. Hey, used to, and Ina suffer for my hand. Ina came, Ina went, Ina brought him, Ina slapped me, Ina slap him. I know your feet for Ina again. I don't know, say no be our language. In fact, una way they talk, say person no dey speak English, person no dey speak English. Una for join us, go find our teacher. Where they tell us more, they pay money for bad English. Where they tell the thief, where they tell they send us to what thief. We need to sue them by now. Instead of to call the last person say he doesn't be speaking English. Who English help? See what English don't cost now. English don't cost kasala for social media. So then a dictionary person call they go. Jesus. So more quickly look the meaning of many and some, then we'll come back again to this hot topic. Almighty some and many. Some versus many. What do you mean? Use some in a positive context when you don't want to specify the number or quantity. Use many with countable nouns when you want to refer to a large but indefinite number. For that reason, some and many are not interchangeable, each meaning something different. For example, I bought some apples. I bought many apples. When I say they don't be the same thing, English is too hard, even to the owner of English. They even confuse them by themselves. Not to talk of me and you, we borrow. When I don't understand, so now two different things where mama don't understand. Some way go University of Benin class 5, they see the meaning of many. That is many women. In fact, in many past some where she says she used, now provoke many women and some men where they not agree with this post where mama bring come out. Say may you total submit to your husband to they happy. Not so she take account, but now waiting the post refer to. Marriage not being be the ultimate for this life. People they were not marry, where they happy. Like seriously, with all due respect to each and every one of you. More not they look marriage like one kind big deal. More not they look marriage like the ultimate of life. Yes, marriage is beautiful. Marriage is sweet when you deal with the right person. But when you not deal with the right person, continue learning from your mistake. That is why Christianity not they allow make person they do vaga when you dey courtship, because when you don't do the vaga, now there now the pain come the day. Oh, he used me, can't dump me. But when I not do the vaga, you can be changing while studying them. Why studying them? If you fit get the one wey no go do the vaga, very very good and fine, but it's very very rare. It dey hard. Even the Christians wey dey say that they do courtship, that they know each other, don't they do the vaga? I pray make they not do the vaga. I pray who wan carry I don't know. But me personally, I not believe say that they stay sleep for the same house, say they don't they do anything. I not believe that one. So if you want make you not come be heartbreak, come the feel say, oh, this boy waste my time or this girl waste my time. Mona not do vaga. Mona not pay one for zero. If una not pay one for zero, there is nothing like heartbreak there. It go just be like normal friendship. I don't know whether I understand. With respect to una, then make I share the almighty reply when one lady reply to the post wey make Sister Rita come like reply and back, come use the word say na some na she talk. She not say everybody. More say am together, more for understand wetin I dey try to talk since morning. Let's go there. Okay, here na the reply. Now from Wawa Anna. She say, your opinion, how do you get to this conclusion? I dislike when people make statements with so much authority with little or no supporting evidence. We can also say many women are alive and happy today because they left abusive marriages. Please stop the use of truth is bitter. What might be true in your situation is not always true for another. This one are the almighty reply, which is very very understandable because she is still referring to many. According to Mama Rita, she said the post now for women. Say some people constantly talk say what about men, but this one are still women. She just to give her own opinion. Like you don't see from one angle, try to see from 17 angle, because women many for this world, men many for this world. Celine Dion say there are many people in the world, different faces and different name, different character. Me can add that one join her. And I don't understand. Then more will see what Mama reply. She said, Wawa Annie, I don't know why I choose you out of all the other attacking commenters to reply. A woman's submission is one of the requirements to a peaceful marital fulfillment according to the will of God. Now here me I not the like. Now here me I not the like. Can't they put God for inside marriages? The marriages where they just bless for altar mama, they not the scatter. They not the scatter. Not be God, not be joined them. With respect to Pastor Christo Yakilome, Mama, not let me go there. Leave God out of this one. We not concern God for this matter at all. God leave us to our faith. We will leave that God in peace. Not be everything what they call that guy name put a beg. She continued. If eventually you submitted to the wrong person and had it tough and work out, you're definitely going to be a happy divorcee at the end. But when you willingly fight against the will of God and make total mockery of the loyalty of a man, definitely you will live in a regret as a divorcee. That's why the post is saying so many divorced ladies and not all. Mama, you still had so for you. So many. Mama, if you reason that so many, you can't add so join. That's only many way you fair right. Mama, is up to 80%. Oh. Mama, you guilty here. Oh. It's more. You better use some. You better pass this. So many. Hey, Mama, so many. And you say me person no talk. I've been winning night behavior. Mama, I've been winning night behavior. Eh? The ones where they regret, you are advising them to, like, you are advising the one where still they regret where they for marriage of toxic, where they for marriage where man they cheat. According to you, Mama, you say cheating not be the problem. Not be say because say that they cheat now how they react to them not be the problem. You want them to still continuously staying there till they get depression. Then at the end of the day they'll come they attack you for social media. You say they are angry people all over the place. Mama, you are still in a way the problem of the depression. Oh. In a way, partially. With this advice. She continued. She said, That's why the post is saying so many divorced ladies and not all. To read a post is good. To comprehend before reply is the best. Mama, if you say more comprehend this thing, more comprehend as the English today. Mama, I bet you what they make it. This one not be matter of women the verse. This one a matter of how you take say many. Wetin many mean. Some is even better. Some is better. You see many. Mama, many too many. Oh. Many too many. Oh God. Mama, if you say more comprehend down with the English now, Mama, Emila combine with Odegbe. We agbe. Oh, abe mama agbe, mabe mo aburo. Jesus. You said, and I quote, what worked for you does not work for others. And I said, many and not all. You just repeated what I said, but in another word. Anyway, we learn from one another. Stay blessed. That is my ritotto. She reply and tell you what she want talk in a very polite way. You people are saying the same thing with different language, but Mama, if you put your spectacle for eye wear, you come on the dark one, you put the lens, Mama, you see say, what una dey talk, it be one resemble but not be the same. Just as some they resemble many, they not be the same. Jesus, so with all due respect, from the bottom of my heart. So make I end down for here. If I say make I share the other judges matter for here, this video will reach 2 hours. Mona, no worry, I'll do that one tomorrow. I will show una my chamber as they use blow and slap and jidoka and what do they call the other one, flying heading, they scatter out my chair. I will show una mona come see what they got to talk for this matter. Tomorrow will be for only for the judges' comments, the bewa comments. Mona to see how they react for the post. Thank you very much, guys, for sharing this your wonderful time with me. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And Mona, not forget to drop una own comments below. Mona, tell me what una think concerning this total submission. If una agree, say it dey advisable for this 21st century for woman to total submit to a man, and before una go start to dey put comment, una try to know wetin total submission mean. Wetin total submission mean for the dictionary wey me for check am, e say na to just like give out all your power to somebody, just dey say sa or ma. In another word, just be a total slave. Una not understand. So tell me what you think in the comment section. I would like and love to visit your universe. Might still know how you tell the reason this kind of matter from your own side. Without insult, my brothers and sisters, all of us still dey learn. Just as Mama Ritoto talking just now. Let's disagree to agree without pouring insults. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons with me. I hope you not take this my audio personal. I just hope you not take any of my video personal. I know they try to bring out the beast in anybody. I know they try to throw shade at anybody. I just they try to represent the change what I truly and really want. I just they try to be the change what I want to see around me, what I want to see for my environment, what I want to see for my beautiful gallant Duchess State Edo and my great beloved country, Nigeria. But if by any means, any shape, any form, any way at all, any of my video or audio offend you personally, please find a place in your heart to forgive me. For love's sake, for peace sake, because I know they ever they on this camera to bring out the beast in you. Absolutely no. That's not my intention. That's not my calling. That will not be so few. Couple with the fact say that ugly side of you. Hey, it too ugly. If you not see the head, it big pass Edward. So I don't want to see her with all due respect. See, I come your way next time, guys. This Sophie Universe, the massive truths. If you've not subscribed, you fit tell me what you still dey wait for wey you never still subscribe. Please subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with you, my handsome, beautiful brothers and sisters. Don't forget to be the change you want, my brother, and let me be the change I want. Don't forget to be the change you want, my beautiful sister, and let me be the change I want. You are the change we are looking for in Africa. I am the change we are looking for in Nigeria. Together, when we all change, they do better thing, comot our hand from bad thing, correct people with love without insults, stop the corruption, stop the bribery, stop the hypocrisy. Believe me, our papa and our mama land will be one of the greatest and sweetest in the world. You go enjoy them, me go enjoy them, our children will enjoy them, our children will still come enjoy them. Not be saying a lie. And I also pray the good spirit guide each and every one of us, protect our going out and our coming in, give us reason to love, tolerate and forgive each other, give us more reason to do away with hate, revenge and every other bad stuff. Till I come your way next time, don't forget to share my video, guys. Don't forget to patronize me, and don't ever forget to give my video thumbs up. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. To the next video. One love.